this blend, it helps me lock in and chill out. And those of you that know me know I sometimes need to chill out. And you can make this with just 3 essential oils. You are gonna wanna try this. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and this diffuser blend has become my go-to when I need a mental reset. Clears the air, lifts my mood, and it's all natural. No fake fragrance, no junk, just pure DIY goodness. And here's how I made it. You wanna start with 2 drops of Resilience. Oh, I love this scent. And careful, it is blue. 2 drops of Peppermint, nice and soothing. And 1 drop of Balsam Fir. If you're like me and love the outdoors, you will like this one as well. It smells so good. I'm sure you're gonna like it too. I used one of our clay diffusers. If you are using a diffuser that calls for water, you just add these directly to the water. It's so simple. I know you're gonna love this blend, so I'm gonna show you how to make a master blend so you can have it on hand. It's very simple. You just need your 5 ml amber glass bottle, and if you're messy like me, you want a funnel, but this is not required. So you wanna add 40 drops of Resilience, 40 drops of Peppermint, and 20 of Balsam Fir. Shake, and I know you're gonna love this one, so you wanna label it. Now, some of you are graceful, meticulous, but for those of you that aren't, no worries if it's not perfectly straight. It happens to me all the time. So now you've just made your own Rooted Clarity diffuser blend. Pretty cool, right? And by its name, you know, Rooted Clarity, this is gonna help you focus, relax, and be calm. All you needed was the Simply Earth recipe box, and it comes with all the full-size oils and tools that you need to create this and other wellness recipes at home. And when you subscribe, you get this free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. How exciting! You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. And remember, making is healing. It smells awesome. This is going to be grounding to my senses. It's going to purify the air, and it's just going to calm me. It's perfect, and I think that you will enjoy it too. And if this worked for me, it's going to work for you too. So try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creation with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card. Yes, a $100 gift card, and get featured on our site. If you want more fun, easy, toxin-free DIYs, then subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.